Hey friends, good morning. Hey, come on in. We're gonna have a quick breakfast. Join me.
I'm here.
Friends, good morning. Sorry I don't have my face in this video this morning, but I'm going to make a quick breakfast meal that's full of fiber, nutrition, and helps reduce cholesterol. And it's going to be, of course, with oatmeal, cinnamon, and bananas.
Wow.
So this means 1/2 cup of oatmeal.
What's this?
And then, let me move that out your way.
Thank you.
This is hot water, you guys.
Oh.
And also, we are going to use 1 banana
Let's go.
for topping on our oatmeal.
Whoa!
Sorry for this mess.
Oh my gosh!
So.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, I'm gonna use 1/2 banana. And
Oh my gosh!
all right.
Surprise!
Yes.
That's good.
Thank you.
Okay, so it doesn't take that long for oatmeal to, to make oatmeal. So now I'm going to put the bananas in the oatmeal
Oh my God.
as my topping. And then I'm going to spread some nice cinnamon, ground cinnamon on top. What a great flavor.
Woo!
And voila! I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is a wonderful meal.